Heights, and we're just looking at the open gates. The gates are not working again. That means people have got access to the flats who shouldn't be here. Flight sippers are once again welcome. The housing group have got to sort this out. Here we are at the entrance Old Love Park. On a pretty cold morning. There's no frost yet, but you can feel it heading its way here. We're just outside Quarry Green Heights there. And the problem we're looking at here is this litter. Look at the state of that. Now quite a bit of that's picked up by volunteers. One volunteer in particular, a lady who's cleaning this park day in, day out. If it weren't for her, it'd be a tip. And what we're looking at here in particular, look at the size of these fireworks. We had fireworks going off last night. I mean, we get them all year round, but the build up towards bonfire nights, you're getting a lot more. These things are 3 foot or so. Made in China, I guess. Of course, imported by Gemstone Fireworks Limited, Bolton. So they're sending these all around the northwest of England. I'll just give you some context. It's hard to see there really. There it is in my hands. Look at the size of it. I'm struggling to get it in frame. But anyway, them fireworks were going off last night. I don't know whether they were aiming them at the blocks of flats or aiming them at each other. It's kids, of course.